Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this fluffy akara. It is crunchy and fluffy inside, and delicious as well. I am going to use the normal beans, blend them with a little bit of pepper, which is optional. You see how it's going to be thick. Don't put too much water. I put a little bit of water. You need a very solid blender for this. And I'm going to put them in the mortar. You can use a bowl and a stick to do this. Then I add onion, chopped onion, and then I'm going to use the paste to just sun them as if I am using my hand to blend them. This is village akara and it is so delicious. Add oil in the pot and let it warm up, and then start scooping them in. You don't need anything. I added salt though. I have forgotten to say that I added salt to the salt to taste. And then you have to put them gradually and make sure you put enough oil on the pan. So I'm going to add onion in this just to put onion inside, and it will make it so delicious. This is how they fry akara in the village. It is very one like this is enough for you. Just eat one and akamo, you are ready. You are fit that day, and until it's brown, then it is ready. That onions will beautify everything. It looks so good. Yes, this is how they fry akara in the village, and this akara is very thick in the mouth. You need to put water by your side just to drink it, swallow it with the water or akamu. Eat and enjoy. Look at how it looks like. Thank you for watching my video. Until I come your way next time, subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye. See you soon.